Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Demetra's Dishes. So today I'm going to teach you how to make the most delicious side for your holiday table. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and it's inexpensive. I'm going to teach you how to make my roasted lemony potatoes. Today I'm going to be making them with these little baby potatoes. Now lemony potatoes are a classic Greek side dish. They pretty much go with everything, or they're even delicious on their own. Let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. I have some olive oil, black pepper, and then the spices are some salt, some dried oregano, you can use thyme instead, or even rosemary if you want, some crushed red pepper flakes for heat, which are optional, a little bit of dried ground cumin, and some granulated garlic powder. These baby potatoes are everywhere this time of year, and they're my favorite ones to roast. They're very easy and delicious and buttery and good, and I have some fresh lemon juice. So I'm just going to begin by cutting my potatoes in half. So just go ahead and transfer the potatoes to a roasting pan, and then I'm going to mix up all of the dry ingredients, which are the spices. Before I do that, I am going to drizzle some olive oil over the potatoes, anywhere from a quarter cup to a third of a cup or even half a cup, depending on how you like it. And there's no black pepper in the spice mix. I'm just going to freshly grind some black pepper on top. I'm going to pour fresh lemon juice on top of that, and then the spices. Mix everything all together so it's all coated evenly. And that's it, you guys. It really does not get easier than this. This is not one of those dishes that you can make ahead, because if you cut potatoes a day ahead of time and marinate them just the way I did, they'll just turn black by the next day. So it literally took 2-3 minutes to do this whole thing. So my oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake these in there until they're tender and golden, and they're going to get crisp all around. So I'll show you what that looks like as soon as they come out. It should take about 30-35 minutes for them to be ready. So my potatoes baked for 35 minutes, and I took them out and I just gave them a nice toss. I sliced some fresh scallions, also known as green onions, and I put them on top of the potatoes while they were still hot. Toss them around so that way the scallions leave their aroma and flavor, and they also look really pretty too. I always love to serve these with tzatziki sauce, creamy yogurt and cucumber sauce. The recipe for that will also be in the ebook, and it's also, I've done a video for this way back when in the past. I'll link both of those recipes in the card section up above. The house smells so good. They look beautiful and crisp and delicious. It is time to go in and take a bite. I need to get some tzatziki too. Just give me this and I'll be happy. So happy. A little bit of turkey on the side, some gravy, and we're talking business. So they're so lemony and delicious. They've gotten really nice and crisp around the edges, just the right amount of seasoning in them. The tzatziki just, oh my God, takes everything to the next level. The recipe for this is in the ebook on the website, demetrasdishes.com. It's in the holiday Thanksgiving ebook number 2. Make sure to go on over and download it. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you guys next time. Yes,